This is really interesting. The end of the court case between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is the only thing that is making the crypto world go crazy right now. Recently leaked papers have gotten a lot of attention around the world. The court case might end this month, which would make the price of XRP Ripple go through the roof, reaching thousands of dollars. Even Ripple's CEO couldn't help but say something about it. Unbelievable signs of a positive trend have been seen, and you can't miss them. Get ready to be amazed. You will really be shocked by it. Nota bene, let us take it one step at a time. Since December 2020, Ripple has been in a court battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC. The SEC says that Ripple raised more than $1.3 billion through an unregistered offering of securities based on its digital asset, XRP. A lot of law problems have come up in this important case before it finally goes to trial on April 23rd, 2024. After that, Judge Sarah Netburn made a new scheduling order that focused on the final judgment and motions for remedies. Both sides then agreed to follow the rules, and important papers and data were given to help settle the case. Disputes over important witness evidence from Andrea Fox made the situation worse. The CC said that Fox's statement was an unsolicited expert opinion, but Ripple saw it as the SEC officially opposing Ripple's motion. They said that Fox's evidence applies basic math to Ripple's financial records and asked the court to reject Ripple's motion. Instead, it uses simple math on Ripple's financial records to make it easier to show Judge Torres the proof. The SEC said that the court should turn down Ripple's request. Ripple replied by sending a letter of support. In their defense, the company said the CC did not show Fox's statement as summary proof, but as expert testimony. Fox is an expert because she says she can use technical or other specialized knowledge to help the person deciding the facts understand the evidence or figure out a fact and problem. Ripple said that she does more than just basic math on Ripple's financial records. Ripple also said that Fox's testimony was not proper because the SEC had not disclosed her before the end of the discovery phase, even if she could be considered a summary witness. Ripple asked to seal and redact some financial papers related to the regulator's motion for judgment and remedies, which made the dispute even bigger. The CC said in May that the court should turn down Ripple's request to hide financial and securities sales data because that data is judicial, as it is key to the arguments for the remedies motion and could therefore affect the court's remedies decision. The CC says that these papers could give important information about Ripple's past that is needed for court proceedings, but Ripple said that this information is useless because of recent changes to their sales process that, according to them, make old contracts useless. Over-the-counter trades, which are called institutional sales at summary judgment, are no longer a way for Ripple to sell XRP. The company stressed that the way it sells XRP through its on-demand liquidity product now is very different from how it did business in the past. Even though the trial has started, the result of the case could take years to come because it is so complicated and there could be appeals. American lawyer Jeremy Hogan made a guess about a possible solution. The two sides might come to a deal on $100 million this summer. The CC is seen as the loser by some because Ripple won 3 partial court cases last year, which made them stronger. Each win has caused the price of XRP to rise, which suggests that the price may become even more volatile when the case is over. We can't say enough about how important the Ripple VSAC case is for both Ripple and the Bitcoin market as a whole. This important court case could set important examples for how regulations are handled in the future. As the situation changes, those with an interest should stay up to date, knowing that the final decision could completely change how cryptocurrencies are regulated. Crypto fans are paying close attention to the case, and their feelings are being shared on social media. One tweet by Us.Thankx showed how excited people were. If you own XRP, you're very lucky because you get to keep it before everyone else does. Once the SEC case is over and adoption happens all over the world, the trend will go up a lot. The Wait is Almost Over Another by Kenny Nguyen showed how strong the group was. I prayed to the Lord first thing on Saturday morning. I pray for all the people who hold XRP around the world. We have been through a lot of pain and lost a lot of money because the SEC has been suing Ripple for 4 years. Our day of judgment is coming up soon. The court case is still going on, so the result is still unknown, but one thing is clear. The outcome will have a big effect on how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future and how the market grows. As you can see, experts and crypto fans are very positive about the future of XRP Ripple coin, even though there is still a lot of talk about the trial. With huge growth expected this summer, the possibilities are mind-boggling. This information might make you see things in a whole new way. Don't miss this chance to get ahead of the curve, so stay tuned. In the middle of the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market, recent attention has turned to XRP Ripple, with predictions and opinions circulating about its possible path. The Wigness, a well-known Bitcoin expert with a large following, has boldly set a $10 goal for XRP, bringing attention to the upcoming launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund. If you look at what Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said, the start of such an ETF could happen in 2025. This makes people optimistic. In an interview with Fox Business, Garlinghouse talked about how important it is to grow the crypto ETF market beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. His belief in the possibility of an XRP ETF has sparked excitement in the community, with people like the Wigness pushing for high price goals for the cryptocurrency. at less than 50 cents right now. XRP has a long way to go before it can hit the coveted $10 mark, which would be a gain of over 1,900% from its current value. Even though it will be hard, many experts have shared the witness's optimism, though they have given different reasons. Emily is an experienced Bitcoin day trader who thinks that XRP will eventually hit $10, especially if Bitcoin goes through $100,000. She backs up her opinion with past chart patterns. It's impossible to overstate how important an XRP ETF is. A type of investment fund that trades on stock exchanges is called an exchange-traded fund. Its success is based on the performance of an underlying asset or group of assets. An exchange-traded fund ETF for the XRP Ripple token could attract a lot of business and individual investors. It would give them a safe and easy way to invest in the digital asset. This makes XRP easier to get and more liquid, which could boost demand for it and cause its price to rise like Bitcoin ETFs did. Despite the excitement, there are voices in the crypto community that are positive and resolute. Johnny wrote, XRP will make you rich one day, which shows that a lot of people think XRP will be useful in the long run. Just leave a like if you didn't sell a single XRP. Jack the Rippler said to emphasize the dedication of loyal buyers, reinforcing the idea of holding on to XRP. Along with the other excited people, Crypto Barbie said, we are on the verge of a complete paradigm shift. There has never been a better time to buy utilities than now. You might always feel bad about selling now. A lot of people were scared when the lawsuit against the SEC started, but now big names are using Ripple's technology in their own businesses. This sudden rise in adoption can only mean one thing: the trial is almost over. But what new kinds of partnerships are we seeing? Wait a minute, because what you're about to find will blow your mind. To put it simply, XRP is different from its peers because of its unique use and the huge changes it could make to global banking. Recent events have made XRP Ripple even more important, and they point to a future in which it will play a central role in shaping the financial world. Take the recent meeting between people from Ripple and the Georgia National Bank as an example. The National Bank of Georgia said they were interested in using XRP as a bridge exchange, which Jack the Rippler tweeted, "This shows how well XRP can make transactions across borders go smoothly. Alternative to traditional banking methods that is faster and costs less." The tweet by Armando Pantoja also sheds light on another important event. Russian President Vladimir Putin is thinking about using XRP for the new BRICS payment system. By adding XRP to a system that works in several big economies, this move could change the way global finance works. A choice like this would have huge effects, showing a vote and trustworthiness on the world stage. In the middle of all of this, Crypto Barbie's tweet about Senator Mike Lee presenting a bill to get rid of the Federal Reserve adds to the mystery. Even though it has nothing to do with XRP, the possibility of changing the way traditional banks work shows how much people want alternative options like XRP Ripple. It is unique that XRP Ripple tries to connect traditional banking systems with the world of cryptocurrencies. Unlike Bitcoin, which wants to completely decentralize money, XRP wants to work within the systems that are already in place to make exchanges faster and more efficient. It works quickly and has low transaction fees thanks to its consensus algorithm, which is called the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. This makes it perfect for both people and financial institutions. You can't say enough about how important global usage is for the price of XRP Ripple.